Whew, what a night. Woke up at 1 a.m, drove straight to the eruption, and now I'm going to a helicopter ride above the eruption. Oh my God, I need sleep though. Oh, much needed coffee. That's it. Espresso.
So have you already decided who's going to sit in front?
There are 4 of us want to sit.
Well, I also do, but I'm the heaviest, so.
Dolphin wins? Are you dolphin or?
What's a dolphin?
Like, there are dolphins on this. Okay. Oh, you see.
Way!
Perfect. So let's go.
What coin has dolphins on it though?
Oh, someone.
Oh, sheesh. Yep, that's my. I left it for the next flight, yeah. Wow, guys, that was absolutely breathtaking. I was almost about to cry from how beautiful it was. It was insane and awe-inspiring. One thing about Iceland is it keeps you on your feet. It makes you feel alive. The earth shows you in so many ways how alive it is and how epic and grand it is. It's just an absolute remarkable place.